Hey Keychain Gang, today we're going to be decorating this eagle flag acrylic blank from thirddegreelaser.com. All right, let's flip it over and take the brown paper off the opposite side. We're going to be adding some UV resin along with some white glitter right here into our little cup and stirring it up. Now, if your glitter seems to be a little bit transparent and you can see through it like this, but you want it to be more opaque, here is an easy solution. We have these beautiful mica powders on our website. They're about $1.50 each, and we're going to be using our white today. Now, I like to explain this kind of like crushed up eyeshadow. A little bit goes a very long way. As you can see, just a tiny bit goes a long way. We're going to stir it up and just look at the difference. It's that creamy white milkiness we were looking for. I think it looks great. All right, we're adding it to the center of our blank and going ahead and spreading it out to the edges. Now, as I add more, you'll see that I always try to add it right to the center. This helps me to guide it to the edges without it flowing over. Now, once you've got it all spread out, you can go ahead and pop it under the lamp for 2 minutes. All right, here it goes. Let's turn it over and take the brown paper off the opposite side. We're going to add our vinyl decals right to the front. Now, these are cut on our vinyl cutting machine, either a Cricut, Silhouette, Brother Scan and Cut, and all the files are provided by Third Degree Laser when you purchase the acrylic blank. Now, we've added the red, the blue. We're going to add his little beak and his little eye right onto the blank. Here is a close-up look of how it looks. I love it. All right, we're going to add a coat of clear UV resin right on top here. We're going to seal in all those little vinyl details so that they are nice and secure. And once we've got it all spread out, we can pop that under the lamp for 2 minutes. Now, when your UV resin comes out, it should be nice and glossy, not tacky. Make sure you do it long enough and what the brand recommends. All right, let's add some bubblegum beads. We are using this 0.7 millimeter stretch cord. We have it linked up in our Amazon favorites. Now, you can use up to about a 1 millimeter stretch cord, but I wouldn't go any larger than that. And the Amazon one, so much cheaper than the craft stores. All right, so included with your keychains, you get this large split ring and small jump loop. But for this project, we don't need that jump loop. Okay, so we have about 12 to 16 inches of string that we folded in half. We're putting the two ends through the keychain hole and back through this loop like that. Now we can go ahead and string on our 20 millimeter beads. Now once we've got all three strung on, we can put the two strings through the large split ring and then back through those first two beads. Now we do have tons of 20 millimeter beads on our website, so make sure to check them out. Now, once you've got it all through, you can go ahead and pull that string nice and tight, and you're going to tie a knot right between that second and third bead there. Any kind of knot that works for you. It doesn't have to be something specific. I usually do, left over right, right over left, all that good nonsense. And then go ahead and cut off the excess. Pull that little knot right into the middle of that third bead there. And that's it, guys. Look at how cute he came out. I absolutely love this one. I love the beads that match with it, and I hope you guys do too. Have a great day, guys. Bye.